Force Recorder Standard COF version is included with the COF Tester. The software includes automatic calculation of static COF and average kinetic COF for a selected range. Automatic graphing enables easy creation of COF profile curves with start and stop triggers. The COF Tester features a stroke of 230 mm. The tester also features a wide speed range from 10 to 305 mm per minute. Press the double arrow button to start the test. A screen capture of the software is shown above. The software will automatically start recording test data. The test will run until the travel limit is reached. We'll take a closer look at the software in the next clip. Static COF is calculated once the sled weight is entered. Select part of the graph to calculate average kinetic COF.